Hello everyone, welcome back for another Asian specialty. This one's from Thailand, like some of my other dishes already. This is a favorite at home, especially with the children, and they like it a certain way. So I've modified the original recipe. It's called Thai steamed fish with garlic, lime, and chili. So it's tangy, spicy, and just lots of umami flavor. So a very simple process. What I have here is a bamboo steamer. You can use an aluminum steamer, whatever, but I recommend a bamboo steamer. So in that, I've already arranged my fish. Now normally in Thailand you have the whole fish or you have larger chunks, but just because these are easy to eat, I'm using smaller pieces. And all I've done is I've put a turmeric leaf, which has a nice fragrance and is good for steaming. Now of course, if you have parchment paper like this at home, you're welcome to use parchment paper, but the turmeric adds so much flavor, so I like to use that. And the only thing I've done to this fish is I've added some lemongrass on it. So I'm going to steam it with just lemongrass, no salt, nothing, because all of the other ingredients are quite salty. Okay, so I have my steamer. I'm going to start steaming my fish. And while that's being done, the sauce is really super simple. All I have here is some stock. This is chicken stock. You can use chicken stock or fish stock. I'm using chicken stock just because it adds a different dimension of flavor. So I recommend that. If not, the fish that you bought and cut up, you could use that to make the stock as well. So in here, I'm going to add some fish sauce and some palm sugar, brown sugar, and lime juice, and quite a bit of it. This is about 8 tablespoons. So you want to add enough lime juice to get a nice sour tart flavor. And we're going to add fresh garlic. Now one thing, keep in mind, this is right now warm to hot. So the garlic's going to par cook in there, and that's all we want. We don't want to fully cook it. And then I'm going to add some coriander, cilantro right there. And I will also add some chilies. Now I'm not using very spicy chilies because I'm making this for the kids, but you could use bird's eye chili, which is very popular in Thailand and has really got a punch and kick to it. So we toss those in there. And I'm also going to add a little bit of celery that I've finely chopped just for a crunch to give it some texture. So we just add all of this and give this a stir and let all those ingredients mix together and the flavors come together. In the meantime, our fish is steaming, which should be done in about 5 to 7 minutes, and we come back, plate it. That's it, super easy. So my fish has steamed. It took about only 5 or 6 minutes because it's small cubes. So we're ready to plate this up. Just gently pick them up so they don't break. And I have some more turmeric leaves here for the plating and also for flavor. So I'm just going to toss my fish on there. Okay, so we've got our fish, and now all I do is take some of my wonderful sauce over here and pour it right on top. And to dress it, I'm just going to add some more lime, just a couple limes, and maybe some more red chili. I love these chilies. They are tasty yet not too spicy. So add that on there, and some more celery. Just kind of toss them around. And of course, we want to finish it off with some cilantro as well. So pour that in there. And that should do it. There you go, folks. Thai style steamed fish, healthy dish for you. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.